Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing tips for buying a used Mercedes A-Class W176. The Mercedes A-Class is a popular car with a reputation for performance and luxury. However, before you buy a used W176, there are a few things you should consider. We'll cover the engine options and which ones are the most reliable and which ones to avoid. We'll also look at some other potential tech problems with the car. The Mercedes A-Class W176 has several engine options to choose from, but the most reliable one is the 2.1-liter diesel engine. It is fuel efficient, provides ample power, and has low emissions. Some of the gasoline engines, particularly the 1.6-liter and 2.0-liter engines, have had issues with timing chain and camshaft problems. If you're considering one of these gasoline engines, it's important to check if the timing chain and camshaft have been replaced or if there have been any issues reported. While the Mercedes A-Class W176 is generally a reliable car, there are a few potential tech problems that you need to keep an eye out for. One common issue is with the infotainment system, particularly with the display screen. Some drivers have reported that the display screen can be prone to failure, leading to issues with navigation and other functions. Additionally, some drivers have reported problems with the air conditioning system, which can be expensive to repair. When looking to buy a used Mercedes A-Class W176, it's important to consider the engine options and which ones are the most reliable. The 2.1-liter diesel engine is the most reliable and fuel-efficient option, but some gasoline engines may have issues with timing chain and camshaft problems. Additionally, be aware of potential tech problems with the infotainment system and air conditioning. Make sure to thoroughly inspect the car before making a purchase, and if possible, get a professional inspection to ensure that the car is in good condition. We hope that this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.